my YouTube family, welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. This one is for my subscribers and followers. You want to make bread and you don't like all of that stuff on your hand. I'm using my mixer today. This is a no-knead bread. Watch me do it. Mixer out of the box. The only problem I have now, I need to get this bowl cap off. But I'm working it. I am working it until I get that sorted out. How does that sound? God bless you. The machine is doing all of the work. Oh my word, what a relief to me. Good bread, here I come. All right now. To all of my subscribers, to you who are returning, I want you to know that you are my MVP. Without you, there'd be no new subscribers. To you who have just decided to join, God bless you and welcome. And to those of you who are just watching, you haven't made up your mind as yet. What are you waiting on? Subscription is free. Please join us. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Please select all so that you can be notified whenever we are on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. You're still watching and you like what you've seen so far, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it out and leave a comment at the end of this video. God bless you. This is for you. family, no knead bread. Look at them. Look. Oh my word. Just rubbing the butter over them. They are ready. Oh, oh, oh. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. Be sure to check out the description box now. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.